Hey guys, it's me again, and today we're gonna react to this new Loud House episode, which is called Hiccups and Doubts. Sorry if this video is a bit late today, because I was busy with my cousins and stuff. But I my cousins. But anyway, let's just get watching this new episode of this show, shall we? And Luna's gonna get rid of nasty hiccups before she performs on the band. Oh, ow.
Oh, very well, all right. What are you so excited about? The Moon Goats made it to the finals of the Rumble of the Rockers. It's a band competition, and the winner gets to record a song demo. We're still gonna sing!
Wow.
Wow, I've never heard a guitar make that sound before. Negatory, it would appear Luna is having involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Street name, hiccups. Brought on by all of her excitement.
Oh, she got some nasty hiccups.
Tonight, and there's no way I can sing like this. What am I gonna do? Oh, I know what would cure those. An anti-hiccup elixir. Yeah, if only someone would invent one.
Seriously?
Oh, come on, Sips. One of you has to know how to get rid of my... Please, you
Ah.
gotta help me. Ah, Luna. You know we're hiccup for it. But first things first. Everybody hurry and eat while she's down.
Really? Just really?
Trust me, I know how to get rid of hiccups. Step 1, cover yourself in trash. Okay. Step 2, repeat step 1 till the hiccups are gone. Is there a step 3? Repeat step 2. Oh, okay. No, I said cover yourself. Really, take in the full trash experience. There you go.
Not helping.
Everyone knows a scare gets rid of the hiccups. That's why I've planned the ultimate fright. Something that taps into your darkest fears. Oopsie, where did you go? Wanna play a game? No, not really, dude.
Oh.
No.
Nah.
Oh,
Nope.
that didn't work. Let me off your hand. I'll give her a real scare. Listen, the problem is you've been focusing on the wrong end. You need to shake those hiccups down through the body. Then they'll blast right out of your butt.
We proudly give you the Hiccup Eradicator.
Wow.
You slide down the slide, bounce on the trampoline, land in Lola's Princess Ride, jump through the bubble hoop, fly through the air, then at the end you land in that kiddie pool filled with pudding.
All
Oh,
that motion
boy.
will lead to a ginormous butt blast, and your hiccups will be gone. Bam! Science! Why pudding in the kiddie pool? Not gonna lie, that part's purely for our entertainment. Let's just get this over with.
It's not gonna work.
For the love of gravity, don't do it! Well, you'll be happy to know that actual science has triumphed. After many grueling hours in the lab, I have finally created an anti-hiccup throat spray.
Oh.
Let me give it a try. They're gone! Now bear in mind, it only offers temporary relief, so be sure to use it every 15 minutes. Specs, you're truly the rockiest little sis ever!
Oh, jeez.
That pudding was a nice touch.
I'm just glad Lola just found out.
Thanks for the ride, Chuckster.
Oh,
This
Sam's
is
back.
yours on?
Wish I could, love, but I got me a gig. I'm playing at Liam's farm. He said it'll be as big as a fat tick chomping on a hound doggy's ear. Between you and me, I haven't the foggiest to what that means. Break a
Ooh.
leg, you lot!
Thanks, Chuck. See ya.
okay?
For sure. Just a tiny case of the hiccups. Nothing to worry about. Lisa made me a throat spray for him. It's right here in my bag. Oh no.
Oh, you
I
lost it.
left it in Chunk's van. Okay, nobody freak out. I'll just call him and ask him to bring my bag back.
He won't answer, remember? He turns off his phone before every gig, so he can get in the chunk zone.
Chunk zone.
There's one other person to call.
Lisa.
Cut to the chase, Mr. President. How long until the asteroid hits? Luna? I told you this line is for science emergencies. Oh, wait, why are you hiccuping? I left the throat spray in Chunk's van. You gotta bring me more, Lise. Quite possible. I only have enough
What is
ingredients
that?
for a single batch to get you through the competition. Do you know how hard it is to get Norwegian kelp these days? Then you and the Sips gotta pick me up and take me to Chunk. Please? The goats are gonna blow it at me sounding like this. Very well.
Oh.
Over there!
Wow.
Liam, is Chunk still here?
No, he ran for the hills. We were having us ribbon cut ceremony for the new hen house, and he was all gone peachy. Until Chunk played old McDonald. Poor feller, he had no way of knowing my critters ain't that song.
Oh.
E-I-E-I-O sent him right into a farm frenzy. You know where he went, dude? The food cure to get himself some bandages. Get out while you can. I'll buy you some time. Woo-wee! All right, who wants something?
Oh. Oh my god.
Flip, have you seen Chunk?
The England guy covered with beak marks? Yeah, you just missed him. Flip might have overheard his phone convo, but I might need a little help remembering. I don't know, still a little fuzzy. Now it's coming back to me. Chunk went to the burnt bean. Something about a bingo gig this afternoon.
Yes,
Bingo?
finally.
You know, old Flip's got just a thing for hiccups. Nacho, show her the cure. It also gets rid of toe fungus. The downside, temporary body numbness.
Okay, that. Okay, that is disgusting.
I don't think so.
Uh-oh, I can't feel my legs. Nacho, catch me.
And you're down.
Excuse me, is Chunk around?
He should be. His bingo cage is still over there.
Chunk, are you here? Let's split up and find him. And hurry, we're almost out of time. Hey guys, he's over here.
What?
Chunk, are you in there? Okay, my way now. Looking for Chunk.
Oops, sorry. He left out the back door. He lost the G37, so he ran to buy a new one.
Oh, gosh, good for him. Vitamins are totes important.
Oh my god.
Let's go, guys. Chunk!
Luna, how was the rumble?
Chuck, you have my bag!
Was in your bag? Oh, sorry to hear it, love. Better luck next time, eh? Well, gotta go.
You're not listening.
37 and I'm almost in the chunk zone.
No, that's not the pro.
No, you have my bag!
Oh, geez.
No, I'll never catch up to him!
Don't worry. I know a shortcut.
Wait, what?
Luna, how'd you get here so fast?
Oh.
Oh, it's hopeless. I better go back and tell the goats they can freak out now. It's all over. Oh. Sorry we have to drop out, dudes. No, we'll never get to record that song. Demo.
If it makes you feel any better, the hiccups actually have a sweet rhythm. If you gotta have hiccups, they might as well be rockin'.
Izzy, I think you're onto something. Guys, I know how to get us back in the competition.
One, two, three.
Everything is going smooth.
You won.
We did it! We actually won the Rumble!
Thanks to you and your awesome hiccups.
My hiccups! They're gone!
She's right.
Wow.
It's off the spray.
Of course. Excitement caused the hiccups, and the sheer excitement of winning the Rumble made them dissipate. Why, it's
Oh.
borderline embarrassing. I never put that together before.
Really?
All right, Mooncoats. Let's hope those hiccups come back soon. You have to record that song for your demo.
Oh, man. I didn't think of that. Don't worry. We'll get those hiccups back. We just gotta get you pumped up. Yeah!
Major hiccups.
No, not again.
Oh boy. Here we go again. So guys, that was Hiccups and Downs. I give that episode a 9 out of 10. That was great. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.